Have you ever wondered about the intricate web of life that thrives on our planet? The myriad species that coexist, each playing a unique role in the ecosystem, are the testimony to the rich biodiversity we are privileged to witness. But alas, this biodiversity is now under threat. And glaring evidence of this is the recent extinction of a species that had thrived on our planet for millions of years. Take the case of the Pinta Island tortoise, a magnificent creature that inhabited the Galapagos Islands. This species was declared extinct in 2013 with the death of Lonesome George, the last known individual of this species. The Pinta Island tortoise was a victim of overhunting in the 19th century, and despite rigorous efforts to save the species, it slipped into the pages of extinction. The Pinta Island tortoise isn't an isolated case. Over the past 500 years, we have lost 784 species, including the majestic thylacine of Australia and the quagga of Africa. The past 2 decades alone have seen the disappearance of 27 species. The loss is not random. Certain groups like amphibians appear to be more vulnerable, with 32% of all amphibian species worldwide facing the threat of extinction. Peering into the fossil records, we learn that our planet has witnessed 5 episodes of mass extinction. The sixth extinction that we are currently experiencing is different from the previous ones in its rapid rate. Ecologists estimate the current species extinction rates to be 100 to 1,000 times faster than in the pre-human era, and human activities are to blame. The consequences of this loss of biodiversity are far-reaching. They include a decline in plant production, lowered resistance to environmental changes such as drought, and increased variability in ecosystem processes. The primary culprits behind this loss are habitat loss and fragmentation, overexploitation, alien species invasions, and co-extinctions. The tropical rainforests, which once covered more than 14% of the Earth's land surface, now cover no more than 6%. The Amazon rainforest, often termed the lungs of the planet, is being relentlessly cut and cleared for cultivating soybeans or for conversion to grasslands for beef cattle. The situation is grave but not hopeless. Each one of us has the power to make a difference. We can start by reducing our consumption and waste. Support organizations that work towards conservation, and when possible, volunteer your time and effort. Educate yourself and those around you about the importance of biodiversity. Lobby for laws that protect our natural habitats and the species that inhabit them. Remember, our actions today will determine the fate of the countless species sharing our planet. So as we stand at this crucial juncture in our planet's history, the question isn't whether we can reverse the damage already done. The real question is, will we? Overexploitation of natural resources, an issue often overlooked, has led to numerous species extinctions in the last 500 years. Take, for instance, Stella's sea cow, a gentle giant of the ocean, hunted to extinction within 27 years of its discovery. Or the passenger pigeon, once the most abundant bird in North America, wiped out due to unregulated hunting and habitat destruction. Today, we see a similar pattern with the over-harvesting of marine fish populations. Our insatiable appetite for seafood has pushed many species to the brink, disrupting delicate marine ecosystems in the process. Moreover, the introduction of alien species has wreaked havoc on native populations. Remember the Nile perch in Lake Victoria? This invasive species decimated the local fish populations, causing a ripple effect across the ecosystem. Similarly, the African catfish, introduced into our river systems, has outcompeted local species, leading to their decline. Then, there's the domino effect, or co-extinctions, where the extinction of one species leads to the extinction of another. It's a chain reaction that can destabilize entire ecosystems. In the next scene, we will delve into solutions and actions we can take to mitigate these issues. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to Hilal Sears Biology and join our Telegram channel, Hilal Bioloom, to stay updated on our latest videos.